I think take time out for yourself also. The subject is can be very overwhelming, so always be confident कि जो मुझे पता है वो दूसरों पे भी अप्लाई होता है तो मुझ पे भी होता है. हम सजेशन जैसे बहुत कंफर्टेबली देते हैं, कभी कभी याद रखना पड़ता है कि हमें भी कुछ ना कुछ एक टाइम रिलैक्सेशन के लिए निकालना है. That's it.
Hello everyone, welcome to IMA's podcast. Today we have with us Ms. Ragini Bafna. She is the director at Harshvardhan's Laboratories Private Limited and founder Quirk Experiences. So ma'am, we went through your profile and we could see that from working as a journalist at Times of India to pursuing clinical psychology and doing economics, you have done so many things. So, which career option suits you the best?
If you personally ask me, I'll say psychology is my favorite
Mm.
because the amount of things I get to explore there is infinite. एंड बाकी जितना सीखा उससे सब कुछ यही समझ आया कि कुछ भी करो सक्सेस तो मिल ही जाएगी. कहीं ना हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ तो है ही इन स्टोर फॉर यू.
Okay, and what inspired you to get into this career?
In psychology?
Yes, in psychology.
So psychology has been my pet subject since school times. So I always wanted to do कि कुछ ना कुछ इस सब्जेक्ट में करना है. तो भले कोर्सेज दूसरे करे, फॉर्मल कोर्सेज पढ़ाई इकोनॉमिक्स में करी, बट हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सर्टिफिकेट कर दिया. यहाँ कोई सेशन है तो उसको अटेंड कर लिया, कहीं थोड़ी इंटर्नशिप कर ली, ऐसे ऐसे करके आई केप्ट माय टच विद साइकोलॉजी. फिर अब बड़े हो गए, टाइम मिला तो सोचा कि नो व्हाई नॉट फाइंड फॉर्मली परस्यू इट.
और कुछ लोगों का होता है कि उन्हें लोगों को हेल्प करना है with their problems, mental and physical. Yeah.
More about mental, I feel yes, there is a thing that psychology हमेशा help करती है. But the psychology I want to get in is कि आप इतने खुद सक्षम हो जाओ and you are self-sufficient to deal with your own problems to an extent. Obviously, I'm not saying कि you can be a solution for everything, but if your willpower and your mental strength is strong, you can overcome a lot of things.
That's
And you can achieve everything, of course.
true. And were there any challenges that you had to face while entering the industry?
Not really. Fortunately, I'm pretty privileged in that sense, so I can be grateful for that. And challenges, of course, कुछ नई चीज शुरू करी तो बहुत कुछ नया समझ में आया. When I started with Quirk, इतना लगा recently कि बाहर से बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा था कि ये करना है, इससे बन जाएगी कंपनी. But when you got into it, तो एक एक चीज लगी कि okay, ये सर्टिफिकेट भी लेना है, ये लाइसेंस भी जरूरी है, इन लोगों से ऐसे डील करना है, वेंडर से इतना नेगोशिएट करना है. So it was a part of the process, but it was fun.
And how was your content writing journey at Times?
So content writing was literally by fluke. So one of my friends just suggested कि you studying in Indore, why not do something more? Because I was getting bored in Indore कि ठीक है पढ़ाई भी यही करी, schooling भी यही करी, तो भी क्या करें? So then I was like कि ठीक है देखते हैं, अब application डालते Times of India में, कभी accept करा तो. So they accepted my application. They found me useful. So first they put me on a 45-day internship. Then they offered me a job as a stringer, and that almost continued for 3 to 5 years.
That's
In different fields. Yeah.
Okay. And you must have learned the importance of keeping in touch with the up-to-date friends.
Definitely, 100%. Like अब वो इतना इंस्टेंट हो गया है खुद के अंदर कि अब मुझे पता है सुबह उठ के एक बार न्यूज़ तो देखनी है कि क्या चल रहा है. एंड अब मुझे ये भी पता है कि कोई न्यूज़ पढ़ रही हूँ मैं तो उसके पीछे की कहानी क्या है, वो कैसे लिखी गई है.
Right. And would you like to give any tip to someone who has recently entered psychology ka field?
I think take time out for yourself also. The subject can be very overwhelming, so always be confident कि जो मुझे पता है वो दूसरों पे भी अप्लाई होता है तो मुझ पे भी होता है. हम सजेशन जैसे बहुत कंफर्टेबली देते हैं, कभी कभी याद रखना पड़ता है कि हमें भी कुछ ना कुछ एक टाइम रिलैक्सेशन के लिए निकालना है.
True.
That would be it.
And one last thing that you would like to share with our audience? Any life lesson or anything that you've learned along the way?
Life lesson is there is no right or wrong in the way. Keep trying, you will fail, you will win, but at the end of the day everything will make sense. Probably not today, 5 years later, but it should be useful.
Thank you so much for sharing your
Thank you.
with us.